Welcome to Building Outlet's Steel Building Insulation Division, a leader in insulation products and applications. With the ever-evolving requirements on improving a building's envelope performance, our mission is to offer sustainable American-made products, supporting energy conservation with efficient, productive, and most importantly, affordable insulation packages. Choosing the proper insulation package for your building is the key component for your building's envelope. It also sets the foundation for the cost of ownership, enabling a decrease in energy usage spanning the life of the building. Money spent upfront on insulation will be rewarded through reduced energy costs, smaller mechanical systems, and enhanced comfort levels for the occupants. While constructing a new metal building, there are several options available ranging from single-layer systems to highly efficient foam panel systems. A very common application is to sandwich a single blanket of insulation over the roof and walls of your building. In this application, a single layer of fiberglass of up to 6 inches R19 is pre-cut to fit the building's design. A polypropylene fabric is factory laminated to the fiberglass roll, providing a clean, bright white finish to the building's interior, also acting as a vapor retarder which helps protect the fiberglass and building from moisture. The blankets are placed in between the exterior metal panels, also referred to as wall girts and roof purlins, helping to create a thermal barrier between the two. This application allows for the insulation to fluff out into the open areas between the wall girts and the roof purlins. This system is a great option for R values up to R19. Higher R values will require a double-layer system. Double-layer systems are a great choice for buildings where people will work or live, or if energy savings are important to the owner. In this system, steel bands are perpendicularly installed to the underside of the roof purlins. Pre-cut faced insulation blankets are then rolled out in between the purlins over the top of the bands, leaving the polypropylene fabric exposed to the interior of the building, providing a bright reflective finish. Long tabs are provided, which should overlap to help and create a continuous vapor retarder. The thickness of these blankets is determined by the depth of the roof purlins. It is important to fill the entire cavity, eliminating a possible airspace where condensation can form. A second layer of unfaced fiberglass is then installed from the peak to the eave over the top of the first layer before roof sheets are installed. This acts as a thermal spacer between the exterior panels and the interior steel roof purlins. Investing in a high R-value system up front will improve your energy efficiency and save you money for years to come throughout the lifespan of the building. Another high R-value option is to install an energy-saving fabric liner system. This innovative system has one of the highest thermal performance results in the industry, offering excellent thermal isolation with one of the best vapor retarder ratings available. It consists of a network of steel bands, 2 layers of unfaced insulation between and over top of the framing, and a seamless energy-saving fabric that covers the insulation from the interior. The energy-saving fabric resists tears and conceals the secondary structural steel, providing a smooth, bright, durable finished surface. And best of all, most systems available, when installed properly, work together as a system to be tested and approved to be OSHA compliant for fall protection. This system can be installed on both roofs and walls. In roof applications, a woven network of steel bands are installed with the fabric on the underside of the purlins, concealing them. A first layer of unfaced insulation is rolled in between the purlins, running the length of the building. A second layer of unfaced fiberglass is installed perpendicular over the top of the purlins from peak to eave. Roof panels are then installed over the top. In wall applications, a single layer of unfaced insulation is secured in between wall girts with the use of Insul-Hold coils, filling the entire cavity. In cases where there is not a second layer between the other panel and wall girts, 1/8 inch thick thermal tape is provided. Thermal break tape is then installed on the exterior of the girt framing, helping to prevent thermal loss between the metal panels and interior framing before the wall panels are installed. The durable energy-saving vapor retarder is then installed in the interior of the building, over the top of the framing, concealing it, and providing a clean, bright white and durable finish. Steel bands are installed over the top of the fabric to provide additional support to the fiberglass batts and the fabric. Having the energy-saving system on both the roof and walls, combined with the highly durable fabric, offers metal buildings a truly energy-efficient envelope with excellent thermal performance. Foam-insulated panels contain foam insulation sandwiched between both a finished exterior panel and an interior liner panel, all in one. Panel thickness ranges from 2 inches to 6 inches, with non-compressed R values that range from an R16 to a whopping R48 performance. These panels are tested to stay air and weather tight for the life of the building. Soundproofing panels are available and can help soundproof a metal building, while fire-retardant mineral wool insulation panels are available as well. From embossed steel finishes, stucco, to granite stone exterior finishes, foam panels offer a great range for specific external designs. Not only do the panels give excellent R values, they save on labor, offer attractive finishes, with hidden fastener profiles that provide unique solutions to satisfy needs of architecturally sensitive design boards, and give your interior roof and walls a finished look. This enables it to be a complete and finished package. The use of thermal blocks in your building can easily save you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars in energy costs. A thermal block spacer isolates the outer shell from the inner steel frame of the metal building, creating a thermal barrier. Thermal blocks are screwed to the interior framing before fiberglass insulation is installed, adding R value to your building. A thermal block carries an R6 minimum rating and is proven to increase insulation performance as much as 2 times in certain buildings. This option has a payback. Customers have seen a return on their investment in as soon as 12 to 18 months and is the only thoroughly tested and approved product of its kind. Although it is best to insulate your building at the time of new construction, oftentimes buildings are insulated after the fact. In addition, some buildings are not initially insulated properly, or the insulation in place is old and torn. All of these scenarios can contribute to condensation problems, air leaks, and thermal energy loss in your building. New insulation can be retrofit between purlins or wall girts to not only save you on energy bills, but it also addresses any existing condensation issues. We supply insulation rolls that are pre-cut to fit with your purlin and girt spaces of your existing building. After the insulation is cut to your specific measurements, facing materials are applied to insulation blankets serving as a vapor retarder. The blankets are held in place by either installing banding, insul-hold coils, or stick pins. Certainly, there are continual advancements and innovations in insulation materials and systems. If you are building a new building or retrofitting an existing building, by working with our team, you will receive a US-made insulation package to fit your building's specific dimensions, as well as your insulation needs. We have committed to offering and employing practical, cost-effective insulation systems that contribute to a lower cost of ownership, buildings with a payback, and an energy-optimized building envelope. For more information, visit metalbuildinginsulation.com.